Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to play with Gua Sha. Oh my goodness. If you are not familiar with this tool, this is a skincare massaging tool. It helps with the lymphatic drainage. It helps to, flush out all the toxic fluid from your skin or, all the excess fluid from your skin. And it actually circulates your blood as well. And this literally is made from jade. And this is a Chinese skincare tool. This is not Korean. This is Chinese. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it on the face. And then just to let you know, this tool is not expensive. It is very affordable. It is very cheap actually, You can actually go to the AliExpress or on Amazon and you can purchase one of these for $15 or $20, just depending on what type of shape that you get, because there are so many varieties when it comes to the Gua Sha tool. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the guide for you guys just in case if you're interested, how to use it, and I will show you in action as well. I have my hair up with these hair clips and they literally look like horns. They literally look like mini horns. You want to use some sort of oil so that way the tool easily glides on your skin. You don't want to do it when your skin is dry, so just to let you know. And then the perfect time to use this tool is in the morning time, and sometimes you can use it at night as well to kind of circulate the blood on your face and to just flush out all the the collected toxins. Something that I do have in front of me is from The Ordinary. This is the cold pressed virgin marula oil, African marula oil. I have made a video about this product, just in case if you're interested. I'll link it down below for you guys. And something that you want to do, so you want to use just 1 or 2 drops like on each cheeks, just like I am doing it right now. You see that? And then you want to massage it on the skin. And this marula oil, by the way, is, oh my god, it's so good, you guys. I love this oil so much. It is super lightweight. It feels extremely luxurious on the skin as well. I don't have any makeup on, by the way, on my skin. All I have is just a little bit of eye makeup going on, some brows, and of course a little bit of lip stain as well. But I have a perfectly clean skin. So the way that you want to start is if you notice that there is actually a shape right here which is slightly curved, and then you want to start from your forehead, from the middle to the right, and then slowly just sweep like that, or I would say glide. So, and then you will actually notice that your skin gets a little bit red because it is circulating your blood, it is activating, some blood circulation. So you want to do it several times, on one side, and then you want to go to the other side and then do the same thing from the center to the, to the edge of your skin of your face, so to the hairline. So all you want to do is just whatever that's collected on your skin, you just want to kind of flush it away, and then you are going to do the center as well. You're going to hold the tool like that, and then you are going to go ahead and then do it upward motion like this. What it's going to do, it's going to flatten the wrinkles. If you have experienced a lot of stress recently, this is gonna help to flatten out your wrinkles and that kind of heavy look from your skin. And actually it feels very, very therapeutic as well. Your skin feels extremely, it feels like it is getting a massage. Of course we're doing a massage here, but then after that, what you want to do is you want to use it on your brow bones. And something that I have to mention, by the way, for you guys, a lot of fluid collects between your brows. So what you want to do is with this tip of this Gua Sha tool, you want to use the tip, and then you want to go to the corner of your brows and then slowly sweep across the brow bone, and then just flush it away just like that. Something that I like doing is connecting this, starting from your brows, to the hairline, and then go down just like that to flush it away. And then you want to do the same thing to the other eye, to the other brow area, And actually you are gonna feel really good when you do it. Like it actually feels like it is making you feel more relaxed. The next step is you want to do it on the cheeks. You know, you want to start from your from the corner of your nose, and then you want to slowly flush it upward, just like that. And then again you can connect and then flush it downward as again to the heart. So this is something that I have learned when I used to work for Clarence. They would teach us that, you know, when you massage it, you want to flush it up and down to the heart, so that way it just gets, you know, flushed out. And you can also connect it as well from the tip of your nose upward, brow bone, and then down. And then the same thing goes to the mustache area, the upper lip. So you want to start from the middle and then just go up and down. This side right here is designed to use it to the you know, define bones. So you may want to use one of these curved areas to define bones. So let's go ahead and use this curved area to down again. All right, guys, there you go. So it literally takes about 10 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. You know, I think you can always spare 5 minutes, you know, like every morning or maybe every other morning, depending on how your skin feels. I hope this video helped for you guys and then gave you a little bit of idea how to use this tool as well. Leave in the comment below if you do have any questions about this tool, or if you do have any questions about skincare products. All right, guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe if you are new to my channel and like the video if you liked it. All right, guys, you guys have a great day, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye, guys.